Welcome to How to Pack with FedEx, where we show you how to pack with confidence. Titus, do you like lugging your skis and snowboard around an airport?
These? No. I'd rather meet my skis and snowboard at my vacation destination.
Exactly, and today we are going to show you how to pack and ship skis and snowboards.
Great topic. Whether you're a ski company shipping to a customer or a skier wanting to hit the slopes, FedEx can help you ship your skis and snowboard.
Start by gathering the supplies you'll need to ship skis or a snowboard. Find a heavy-duty double-wall box or a hard shipping case. This needs to be a rigid outer container. To protect your items, you'll need bubble wrap and foam sheets. To secure the box, you'll need strong packing tape, stretch wrap, and hook and loop fasteners, zip ties, and cardboard end protectors. You'll also need 2 FedEx labels, but we'll tell you more about that before you seal your package. Please note that there are some FedEx requirements for your skis and snowboard shipment. The size limit is up to 150 pounds, up to 108 inches in length, and 165 inches length plus girth. The dimensional weight is length times width times height divided by 139, and you must use a rigid outer container, double wall recommended. Before you get started with packing skis or snowboards, it's recommended to clean and dry them, secure ski brakes, and remove snowboard bindings if desired. Once the equipment is dry, protect all the vulnerable areas. Wrap tips and tails with multiple layers. Add edge protection and extra binding padding. If you are using your own box, you'll need to use a double wall box designed to fit the size of the skis or snowboard. This can be a full overlap box, FOL style, or a FedEx Office telescopic 2-piece box. Wrap the skis together using stretch film or bubble wrap cushioning materials. Velcro straps or zip ties can also be used. Stretch films can be applied to the ends to prevent scuffs. Once everything has been wrapped properly, it's time to put the skis or snowboard in the box. Insert the items and use 2 to 3 inches of padding around all sides of the box. Before final sealing of the box, you'll want to create 2 shipping labels. Measure and weigh the box. You'll need this information to create a label. Make sure you select a shipping service that will get your items to your destination on time. You can go to FedEx.com for detailed shipping options and to create and print 2 copies of your shipping label. Be sure to put 1 copy of the shipping label in the box. That's important in case the outer label comes off the box during transit. Using the H-taping method, completely seal the box using adhesive strip or reinforced packing tape. Apply a FedEx pouch with the printed label or a thermal label to the box. If you're using a hard case, you'll want to follow similar packing instructions. Insert the items and use 2 to 3 inches of padding around all sides of the case. Slide the skis into one side of the case and slide the other side over to the right side. Before final sealing of the hard case, you'll want to create 2 shipping labels. Measure and weigh the case. You'll need this information to create a label. Make sure you select a shipping service that will get your items to your destination on time. You can go to FedEx.com for detailed shipping options and to create and print 2 copies of your shipping label. Be sure to put 1 copy of the shipping label in the hard case. That's important in case the outer label comes off during transit. Finally, secure the case using lock pins as provided and give it a shake to ensure there isn't any movement inside. For a hard case, apply the FedEx label using a FedEx tie-on tag. All that's left is dropping the skis or snowboard off at a FedEx location or scheduling a pickup. Here are some international shipping tips if you're shipping skis or a snowboard outside the US. Be sure to check any restrictions in the destination country. Include commercial invoice and accurate item description. Keep internal bags or cases unlocked for customs. Include extra padding for long-distance handling. Be sure to send your skis or snowboard shipment early to avoid seasonal or customs delays. Lastly, photograph your gear before shipping. For more on how to pack and ship skis and snowboards, visit FedEx.com.
And remember, if you need help with packing and shipping your skis or snowboard, you can always come into a FedEx office location and we can pack it for a fee. Find your nearest staffed FedEx location at local.fedex.com. Thanks for watching. For more How to Pack videos, click here. And be sure to subscribe to our channel by clicking here. Thanks, and I'll see you on the next one.